How to buy FEG token on Metamask. Updated tutorial and easiest method. A beginner's guide. You probably already have an idea of how to buy FEG tokens on Uniswap and PancakeSwap if you have watched our previous videos. In case you have not watched this video yet, no worries. You can head over to our channel to see our previous tutorial videos. As always, in this video I will walk you step by step through the process of adding the FEG token to your Metamask wallet, and also how to purchase it. Welcome to Crypto Live. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our upcoming videos about cryptocurrencies. Recently, FEG Token launched their updated version of FEGX. For a brief overview about FEGX, tokens can be swapped, staked, added to liquidity pools, or FWrapped using FEGX, a cross-chain centralized exchange/decentralized exchange, or CEX/DEX. Before we get started, let's first get familiar with what Metamask is. Is it a wallet or an exchange? Chrome, Firefox, and Brave browsers can be used to access Metamask, a cryptocurrency wallet. Also, it's an extension for the browser. By doing so, it serves as a bridge between traditional browsers and the Ethereum blockchain. Metamask Swap. How does it work? One token may be swapped for another in the new version of Metamask Mobile. You can swap tokens by opening Metamask on your phone and tapping the swap icon. First, choose which tokens you would like to exchange. Then select a quote, and then swipe to execute the operation. Oh, don't worry. We still have more to discuss about the process later, so stay tuned. Having said this, I will do a step-by-step tutorial, and let's dive right in. Therefore, all you have to do to buy FEG tokens is either go to Uniswap, PancakeSwap, or their very own FEGX, which are all pretty much token exchanges. So in this video, I'll reveal how to get that done on a Uniswap, and basically trade at your own risk. Whenever the Import Token dialog box appears after you select Uniswap, just click Import once you have checked the box indicating you understood the message. You will notice that you have not yet built up a balance because you have not begun purchasing FEG tokens. Then go to Metamask, which is at the left-hand side of the interface. In adding to your Metamask wallet, the first thing you need to do, once you are on the dashboard, is to add a token. After that, you go to the section where you can add your own tokens. Next, you should head to Uniswap and go to Analytics and basically search for FEG tokens. In the event that you found it, you'll just click on it and then you'll scroll down until you find the contract address. At the bottom of the web page, you can see the contract address. Simply click Copy to obtain the contract address of the FEG token. We now need to return to the Metamask wallet, and you can find the token contract address located in the top section. That is where you can paste the copied token contract address for the FEG token. In addition to adding it to your dashboard, you're now able to see what the token symbol is, which is FEG, along with the decimal. By clicking Next, you will be able to see your FEG token listed as your added token in the balance if you have it already. Now, for the very last step, go to the bottom and click on Add Tokens, because once you add them, you'll be able to see them on your dashboard within MetaMask. That's pretty much everything, and easy ways that you need to know about adding the FEG token to MetaMask in addition to other wallets. It seems that most Ethereum wallet programs have an Add Custom function, so if you send a token to your Ethereum address, it should automatically appear. Having said that, let's head over to the page that explains how to actually buy FEG tokens. As of July 7th, there are 3 ways to buy FEG tokens. First, through their own FEGX, second, and third, Uniswap and PancakeSwap, which you can also find via their website, fegtoken.com. We will conclude the FEG token purchase using the Uniswap option for this particular transaction. You now see the screen with the chart, the liquidity, and the volume transactions once you have reached the unit swap and have reached the FEG token dashboard. All you have to do this time is go to the top right corner where it says Trade. Then, of course, you have to click on it and an additional window will appear. There is now the token at the top of the screen as well as the balance. Whenever you're looking to purchase the FEG token, you will see the bottom arrow somewhere in the middle. And that is where you would switch the FEG and ETH positions. Click the bottom arrow, and your FEG token and Ethereum will now be displayed at the bottom and top respectively. So you can simply click on the drop-down menu and choose the crypto you want to purchase FEG tokens with, according to the currency you want to use. So in this case, if you will be purchasing FEG tokens using Ethereum, then you can choose how many tokens you will receive based on the amount of ETH that you entered. If you've selected the amount you wish to swap, you will see the swap button below, and all you need to do is click it to confirm the swap. As soon as you do that, it will display the gas fees that you must confirm to complete the transaction. And to do so, just click the Confirm button. That is why you should make sure you have funding available for both the purchase and to cover the costs, such as the gas fees. Then, once you click the Confirmation button, it is going to confirm the transaction, so within a few seconds you should have your transactions completed, depending on your reaction time. As a matter of fact, what other investors do to ensure faster transactions is to set the slippage tolerance to 10%. This is to ensure the transaction moves quickly. The slippage tolerance should remain between 5% and 10%, so that the transaction will go automatically and your customers won't have to wait long for the transaction to complete. Additionally, the transactions can reverse so that they fail to go through. In that case, you need to increase the slippage tolerance to make sure there are no reversals. Otherwise, you will be charged a small gas charge. Having done that, all you have to do is just go to your wallet, and your balance should appear once you've confirmed the transaction. When you purchase FEG through FEGX with a MetaMask wallet, the first step is to get MetaMask installed on your computer. Therefore, you should go to MetaMask and download the wallet onto your phone or browser. Next, you'll need to head over to FEG.exchange. FEG.exchange is where you'll swap your tokens from $FEG into your current tokens. You may also buy from FEG.exchange through the MetaMask app by opening in the application browser, selecting the side menu and clicking the Buy button. Click Connect at the top of the trade screen once you've gotten to it. Tokens you wish to exchange into $FEG can be selected here. Select the Exchange tab, then click the drop-down at the bottom of the screen and select the token you wish to convert into FEG. Choosing $FEG token, select the To drop-down menu, then select FEG. As a result, you will be given the options of FEG BSC or FEG ETH, depending on the token you chose. The slippage can be set without the need to set it. In FEG, FEG will automatically select the correct percent. Start swapping now and enjoy. You can swap away as much as you like. Just enter the amount you wish to buy and swap today. Please have enough BNB or ETH in your account to pay for your gas fees. In any case, I am not a financial advisor, and I have been continually reminding everyone that cryptocurrency is extremely volatile. Since we already know that FEG token is considered to be a high-risk and high-return asset, watching this video will be an additional resource to help you research it better. You should, however, always do your own due diligence before investing in any cryptocurrency, including the FEG token. Also, make sure to only invest what you can afford to lose if you're investing for the short term or long term. Therefore, it is my hope that you have learned a lot from this video, and as I've been explaining how to buy FEG tokens either from your browser or from the MetaMask on your mobile device. That's all for this video about crypto, and thank you for watching. If you would like to receive updates on the crypto market, please make sure you click the subscribe and bell button.